Hello, good people. So this was the morning before we went to my mother's place. Kumene kunali function. My cousin Fundo, the people from the man that she's going to get married to came to give dowry. Amazabereka ndithu malolo. So we had an event, but before we went there in the morning, this is my big baby, my husband and my child. So they were playing as I was preparing. Yeah, so I decided to take a video. My baby is shy. My big baby is shy. But this little one, hey. So this is how I do it. Very simple. Yeah, so it was me and my baby going. We used the public transport, as you can see. The dad was asking questions, making noise, that I had to take a video in a minibus. Yeah, as you can see, we had fun. Sure. This was on our way to Area 18 at my mother's place. We're coming from Area 25, going to Area 18. Right. My first time taking videos on the road. Yeah, so finally, up at night after no 18, we dropped off and we're supposed to cross the road. So we're waiting for our time for the robots to turn for people, pedestrians. There I decided to do wearing jinga kapaza. Yeah, bicycle.
I got to the Goga's this I got to ride into the bicycle.
There was our ride. It was fun. So I took a video whilst I was on Kapaza. What do you call your country? Here we say Kapaza. Yeah, so it costed me 500 kwacha from the filling station to where my mother stays. So here we're on Kapaza, passing by Area 18 marketing.
And then we'll go down there to the Coco's place where the function is.
It's going down here. It's going to the Goga's place. You'll find the key. Mommy! It's going to the hot shack. Not the hot shack.
Yeah, so that Kabuki is now going straight to my mom's place.
Mommy!
Green.
Mommy!
Yes.
They're too big.
Okay, safely home.
Yes, to the Goga's place.
Let's go.
Mommy,
Let's go. Come inside. Up here where you food.
Now I went straight to the kitchen. As you can see, we had aunties there, Fundo's sister. That's Fundo. I'd like to be. And those are the sisters. Everybody was busy. doing 1, 2, 3. We prepared rice, chicken. It was a busy day. Sima. Preparing for the arrival of the visitors. There, Lutando now. Trying to be Lutando.
What did you do?
That's my sister now. Everybody was busy.
Quiet. People will hear you quiet. Okay? I told you to go and sit down there.
This one. And then the visitors were here. And as you can see, people were singing songs, welcoming the visitors. I think that's the brother. I think the uncles and the aunties. They are in an orange shirt. That's the man. They are at the back. I think he was shy. But that's when the aunties from my side welcoming the people. Yeah, it was a great event. We were so happy. Nowadays, ladies bringing a man, it's a good thing. We have to appreciate. Yeah. So the visitors now coming in. That's my mom. That's my mom talking there. So those are discussing the Robola thing, the whatever they talk, everything. I didn't capture everything. Thereafter, they agreed upon the Lobola. So after negotiations, they agreed and they were singing, celebrating that they have come into an agreement now. It's a successful negotiation. Yeah. So they were happy, and then the moment we were waiting for. Yeah, so the people from the causeway from the other side were now giving the Robola that's money there, money. So they request for cows, kettles, but they equate the kettles to money. That's how it's done. Yeah, so that's the money. I won't mention the money because it's a lot of money. Yeah, so we're happy. The artists were happy. Everybody was happy. Happy. People were singing. People were you guys have a daughter. You shall receive money. You have a son. It's going to be you playing the other side. So they were counting. Is it really the millions? Yeah. It was so nice, so cute. Yeah, so those are the monies. My auntie there was very happy. My mom also, everybody was happy. So they sang. Yeah, so after this short event, then we had to eat and enjoy. So basically that's what happened. The other things I didn't capture because there were negotiations, they were discussing things. So it wasn't necessary for me to capture everything, but I just captured the highlights. Yeah, so you can see how happy everybody was in this video. Yeah, thank you. Bye, guys.